Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to verify Cash App with no ID. So if you want to do this, it's really important, but you have to make sure these steps, you follow the steps very carefully. So here I mentioned these steps very carefully here, right? So very first thing is that open your Cash App, say Cash App on your mobile device and log in into using your email or phone number. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Select personal information, look for personal or personal information section within the settings. Verify your SSN. So instead of uploading an ID, you can enter the social security number and follow an additional instruction. They will just verify it. Be prepared to answer security questions or provide details about your financial history if requested. And I'm sure they requested. And wait for approvals. After submitting your information, make sure you submit the information complete authentic. Cash App will review your request. This process may take a few days, but you might receive a notification sooner. The alternate method is if you're under 18, you can join a family account by asking your parents or guardian to create one for you. This allows access to Cash App features without needing personal identification. This is it guys. Make sure you like this video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe.